It was big giants. It's way bigger giants than them because the reset was the tree that they cut. Now the tree only grow as high as for us to get oxygen to breathe out of. So we ain't never gonna get taller than the tree that been growing for so long. We never could get taller than the tree because that's how God created. So we could breathe, so we could stay alive. It's amazing. Everything is cycle. Nothing get wasted. They just telling us that to keep us confused, to keep us blinded, not really seeing what it is for what it is.